Hello students and welcome back. This is Swati Pant and today I will be reteaching you English Literature Unit 2 Chapter number 2 Nina and the Baby Sparrows. Students, this is a wonderful story of Nina, a small girl, and baby sparrows. This girl Nina did not wanted to leave her house because the baby sparrows were there in her room. There was a nest of the sparrows and this mother sparrow gave birth to baby sparrows, and Nina was really happy looking at the baby sparrows. And there was a function in her family. It was a wedding of her aunt and she was invited to Delhi for the wedding. But everyone was happy except Nina. She never wanted to visit Delhi. She never wanted to leave the baby sparrows alone. She always thought that if she will leave them alone, they will get killed. They will not be able to come inside the mother sparrow will not be able to come inside her room to feed the baby sparrows. So that's why she was very upset and she did not wanted any new dress, any new clothes, nothing she wanted. She only wanted to stay with the baby sparrows. So Nina was very upset and she did not wanted to wear new clothes or attend the wedding in Delhi. Mother saw her this behavior and mother was clueless why Nina is behaving in such a manner. So she asked Nina, what's the matter? Why you do not want to buy new clothes or you do not want to attend the wedding? So the Nina started crying. Tears rolled down from Nina's eyes and she said that there is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in her room and these are the baby sparrows. Right now they are just beginning to get their feathers and they are growing up. That makes them hungry. So all day long they cry and ask for food. And if I will go, mother, the whole place will be locked and Papa and Mama sparrows will not be able to feed their baby sparrows. This is the concern. This was the concern which Nina was facing and that's why she did not wanted to go anywhere. So mother got to know her concern and she gave a solution for the same. She said that okay, we will remove all your things from the room and we will lock the door on the outside. So the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely too. That by doing this, the house will also remain safe and Nina's things will also remain safe, but the window will be open so the Mama and Papa sparrows will be able to come and go outside of the house and they can bring the food for their baby sparrows. So this was the perfect solution which was given by Nina's mother. And after hearing this, Nina became really happy because now the baby sparrows will get their food on time and they will not face any difficulties. Nina became really happy and she agreed to go to the wedding. So the mother gave a wonderful solution. They locked the door from outside and windows of the room remained open so that the Mama and Papa sparrows can feed the baby sparrows. So when Nina returned from the wedding, she was very happy and excited to see plump little sparrows flying all over her room. The baby sparrows have now grown the feathers. They were having proper feathers now. So they were able to get proper food supply, regular food supply from Papa and Mama sparrows and they were sound and safe, which made Nina really happy. And she was very happy to see the baby sparrows at her room. Now we have completed this story, students. Now I will be discussing the difficult words. Let us discuss the word meanings of the chapter. First one is market. It's a place with shops selling things. Different things are sold at market. Second, dress is a piece of women's clothing that is made up in one piece. Lovely means beautiful. Upset means unhappy or not happy. Roll down means came down in a little ball like the tears. Sixth is bother means to worry. Seventh, problem is a situation that is difficult to deal with. Eighth is remove means take away. Ninth, freely means without anyone stopping the movement. 10th is plump. Coming to the question answers. Question 1. Why was there great joy in Nina's house, students? There was a great joy in Nina's house because her aunt was getting married. Second, why was Nina worried? Nina was worried because she was thinking that the new mama and papa sparrows will not be able to come inside to feed their babies as their house will be locked. Third, what did mother suggested? Mother suggested that she will remove everything from Nina's room and lock from outside and will keep the window open for the sparrows to feed their babies. Fourth, what did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? Nina found two plump little sparrows